So make sure you click on AdSense if you want to use AdSense. Click this button to copy and paste the code in. I'm going to paste it right in here. I'm just going to grab some AdSense code from my AdSense account and put it in here so we can see how it works. So here I have my AdSense code, just going to paste it in. This is just pulled right from the ad. It's detected as responsive, but only the Quads Pro version uses the responsive, or allows you to use the responsive ad size. So I'm just going to choose fixed size and make the size 150 by 150. I'm going to choose the default as centered, margin 10 pixels. And here we have more settings that are allowed on the Pro plugin. You can choose to disable this ad on different types of devices if you want to, by checking those boxes, but again, that's only the Pro. Activate on AMP, which is the Google Accelerated Pages. Just keep that activated, why not? Then click on Save Changes, and now we have our first ad in place. So if we head back to our general positioning, and I'm just gonna set this to Ad 1 at the beginning of a post. Then click on Save Changes. Now we're gonna load a post to see if that ad shows up. So I'm just gonna open a post, and in all honesty, it probably won't actually show the ad, because when you install an AdSense code, within the first little while, first couple hours even, there are no. And we see that is our ads by Google class right here, our publisher ID that I have grayed out for security reasons, but that is our ad block, and this is where an ad agent decided what to put there. The last big plugin feature I'm going to show you is putting an ad into a widget in the sidebar. We have to go back to the ad settings and then go to widgets ad code. Then we have to create a widget ad by just click on any one of those. I'm going to choose AdSense again, paste the code. I'm just going to use the one that I used earlier. Click on get code, type just fixed size, make it 200 by 200. Put it on the left, 10 pixel margins. Click on Save Changes. And now that we have at least one widget ad type saved, we can go to Appearance and then Widgets. And now we have Ads Widget 1 right here. If we have other ad widgets, it'd be Ads Widget 2, Ads Widget 3, etc. So we can put this up into the widget area, and that's the only option there is. Just drag and drop, and it pulls the ad from the code that you entered, and all the settings are done in that plugin settings area. Unfortunately, the theme that I currently have, I don't have a sidebar in place, so we can't. All you really need is the free version. All those ad placements, you can really easily. Until next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey guys, my name is Daryl, and today, now Google AdSense has really improved their user interface. They've actually also changed the different style of ads that you can add. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can properly add them to your WordPress website. So this is an example of something that you're going to see. So this is my blog page. On the right side, you can see right here, there's an advertisement. And also you can add ads, if you scroll down, in between your blog posts. So right here, you can actually set up ads to show up in between your content. You can basically add it to wherever you want. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and run you guys through. It might not look like this. It'll probably just be empty, like total earnings. You won't see any of this stuff there. But this is the overall dashboard for Google AdSense. Now there's three kinds of ads that Google AdSense actually just released. Before, it was just text ad and display ads. So this was basically the only option you had before. And basically what this would do, you would put it on your WordPress website and it would display something that looks like this right here. So this is basically what it is. But they've actually added two other type of advertisements. One of them